go out of the house due to the lockdown? Well, you can create the tent at your house. And here's how to do it.
What you will need: blankets, pillows, some candles, ropes. Step 1. Tie the rope across two ends tightly. I have tied one end to the grill and I will tie the other end to one of the pole pieces. If doing in the house, you can use any two edges to tie the rope. Just tie it tightly. Step 2. Place the blanket over the rope. Step 3. Tie one end of the blanket with a rope. And then fix it to one of the poles. You can also place marble or any heavy object onto the blanket to keep it tight. Step 4. Place the blanket for comfortable. Next, place a pillow too.
So here it is, your tent. So stay home. I have made this tent in my balcony so that I can enjoy the outside view too. You can even make it at your house by just tying the rope with any pole or any object, or you can place a heavy object over the rope to keep it tight.